It's like
and copped them in place.
Gregory versus Gregory, two brothers at it. Did you see how both of them are trying not to compete, but internally they're competing? They're such dweebs. Like, you know, they're like really wanting to win this battle. Hey guys, I'm so excited about our new house in Vestavia. This house had been on the market for several months. I think right around Christmas, the seller got really motivated. I got it at a pretty reasonable price. It's really a big house. It's 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath now, 5,000 square feet or more. Hopefully we'll make some money on it. Hello. How do you like this one, Noah? But I think for now, what we need to do is pull off screens, and we'll probably pull these shutters off, right? And keep on demoing. I feel like we're gonna have to pull these handrails off, don't y'all? They're not code either because of height, are they? That one might be, but that one ain't gonna be. Yeah, see? In between, oh. It's real nice, okay. Thinking out loud, if we open up this wall from there to there, and probably open up that from there to there, what do y'all think? I'm thinking if we open up that, we'll be able to stretch this kitchen a little bit further, have a bigger island, but still have place for a dining room, and then open it up. So I think we just need to pull the sheetrock off of that wall first to this wood paneling, and then pull the sheetrock off of that first so we can kind of see and get a feel, right? Imagine this wall was gone, right? And that fireplace was gone, because that fireplace really is not serving any real purpose. It's kind of nice, but it messes everything up. So we're gonna pull that out. If we open up this whole wall, and the end of this room is now where Micah's at. Where the arches are, that's actually a wall. And then all this goes out, and this is just one big room. We might have to take this brick out and just build an exterior wall here. Because see this, we need to get all the weight on that, I think, don't we? We gotta really think this through. We need to somehow make this look like it's always been that way, you know? We want it to be right though, because if we do this house right, it's gonna be a really good house. When we take this window out, we need to keep it. When we take that door out, we need to keep it, and we might try to put that door there and this window there. That's why these arches are gonna have to be moved anyway. And then we're gonna keep that as like a grilling patio. Okay, so that is what I'm thinking there, right? Open that up, please. If you can you? No. It's like
Copped them in place.
Gregory versus Gregory, two brothers at it. Did you see how both of them are trying not to compete, but internally they're competing? They're such dweebs. Like, you know, they're like really wanting to win this battle. Oh!
Are they rotten?
How bad are they?
Just don't look at it.
No, really, how bad is it?
It's gonna need some Bondo.
We're gutting all this up. Yeah, all this is gut. And then hopefully that fire, do you think the furnace is being, it's a fireplace all the way to the basement too. Damn.
I wonder if we could, I guess we could check.
Yeah, you can check it. I think that's perfect. I don't know if that ladder's prepared for all that beef. Good Lord. Can you hear them steps given? So it's brick all the way up? Okay, let's go to the basement and see what's up with that. I'm tempted to take all this down and just have one big room down here. This room is pretty much unusable, but let's say you did this. Let's say you took out that closet and almost like opened up those stairs some. You could have all this space as a downstairs den.
I guess there's the stairs right here too.
Yeah. Keep some of that rock, because that rock is pretty cool too. But he's going to start at the roof and come down.
For sure. That's a lot of rock to move.
Yeah. And then we're going to open up all this. It'll probably have a couple poles in here or something like that, but all this will be open into one room. I think that's perfect. Okay. I love that plan. This kind of house, if we do it right, it's going to pull big money. Big money. No whammy, no whammy.